Hey guys, pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson here. You're watching Get Your Sax Together, or should I say you've watched Get Your Sax Together because this is the end of the video. I just wanted to come on and say Happy Christmas everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope 2021 brings you all the happiness that you could desire. All my happiness has come to me because I have finally released Total Tone Mastery. If you've bought it, fantastic, thank you very much. If you haven't, get yourself down into the description and check it out because there's a fantastic deal on right now. I just wanted to show you what you can really do with your saxophone sound if you apply the principles from the course. I wanted to play a nice ballad to show you what you can really do. As always, there are some nice goodies to get down in the description as well. You get the PDF for this song with the melody and the chords written out, and you get a free fingering chart and my free 1-hour saxophone success masterclass, all the usual cool stuff. So that's it from me. Have a wonderful Christmas day. Keep practicing smart, and enjoy your music. See you later. Hi guys, pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson here from Get Your Sax Together. I hope you enjoyed This is why I have a script. Commonly known as Chestnuts roast. This is why I have a script.